reactors and distillation columns are located in ATEX Zone 2. This space is fully ventilated several times an hour. The devices are operated from a control room. The lab is equipped with a 20-liter glass reactor and a 50-liter stainless steel reactor. Both jackets are heated by a LADA heating unit by means of thermal oil to a maximum of 150 degrees Celsius. The coolers are connected to the central cooling water system. They can operate at a vacuum of 50 millibar. The 20-liter reactor has a 20-liter additional vessel, and the 50-liter reactor has two 20-liter and 5-liter additional vessels. They also have each a stirrer, temperature measurement in the reactor, a vapor line, and a bottom discharging valve. Often these reactors are used to evaporate solvent mixtures to perform an initial separation before performing a fractional distillation. The distillation column has a modular construction and can be used for both batch and continuous distillation. The distillation column has a modular construction and can be used for both batch and continuous distillation. The column is made up of 3 parts, which are filled with packing material of 3 or 6 mm. The distillation column can be adjusted according to the application up to a maximum of 90 theoretical plates. The reflux is controlled by a solenoid valve. The valve will either direct the vapor to the condenser of the column so that it returns to the column, or send it to the distillate cooler so that it's drawn off as distillate. The column is equipped with 4 additional valves, which can be used in continuous distillation setup and for inline temperature measurements. The column's 4-liter boiler is heated either electrically or by means of a double jacket with thermal oil to a maximum of 150 degrees Celsius. The absolute pressure is measured at the top of the cooler. The column is quasi-adiabatic. The 50-liter glass distillation column is heated with steam at 2 bar or 120 degrees Celsius. A differential pressure measurement across the column controls the heating. The column can be operated either as a batch or continuously. The column is composed of 3 parts, each consisting of 10 bubble caps. Each section also contains 5 places to sample both liquor and vapor. The column thus has a total of 30 practical bubble caps, which corresponds to 22 theoretical plates and 15 sampling places. Furthermore, there are also 3 additional valves, which can be used in a continuous distillation setup, and 4 temperature measurements over the column. The reflux is controlled by a funnel with magnets, which is controlled by an electromagnet. The funnel will return the condensate to the column or drain it to 2 distillate vessels of 25 liters. The feed is pumped up from a 50-liter vessel and preheated with steam at 2 bar or 120 degrees Celsius before feeding it to the column. A control valve controls the flow rate. The residue can be drawn off through a control valve that is controlled by the level measurement in the boiler. A vacuum of 50 millibar can be applied. The absolute pressure is measured at the top of the column. The cooler is connected to the central cooling water system.